Hi, it's Gina from WTI. My favorite wardrobe staple right now is this Manio cashmere scarf. One of the best things about it is how versatile it is. Not only are there many ways to wear it, but it goes with so many different outfits. I love how light and soft the two-ply cashmere is, but also that it's warm enough so that I can wear it on a cool night or during the day when there's just a little bit of chill in the air. I just get so sick of having to wear sweaters and jackets. This is a really nice alternative to keep me warm. I love that I can dress it up with a skirt or flowy dress, or I can dress it down with a pair of blue jeans or a pair of leggings. It's great for shopping, for walking around town, for going on a date. The scarf fits into any occasion. I'm 5'4", 130 pounds, and I found that this scarf is long enough and wide enough for me to wear in many different ways. And I can also see that it really would fit just anybody. It's one size fits all. I got the light gray color because I found that that color just goes with a lot of different items in my wardrobe, and it is true to color. You can wear it as a wrap, as a scarf. I love that I can just grab it and throw it on with any outfit. I don't feel like I can adequately express how much I truly love this scarf. It's elegant, it's beautiful, it's well made. It makes me feel like $1,000,000 when I'm wearing it, and it'll make you feel like that too. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.